Hello students, welcome back. I am Mrs. Varsha and you are with me in Saraswati coaching classes. Today in this session of class 10 biology, we will start with the first chapter. Already we have completed two chapters, that is our environment and management of natural resources. This chapter which we are going to start now is very important, and that chapter is life processes. As you all know that out of 80, 30 marks are given for biology, and out of that 30 marks, 9 marks, it may be changed this year weightage, but up to this time the chapter of this first weightage in that 30 mark is of 9 marks. Means from the exam point of view and your further JEE या फिर बाकी नीट या फिर आप लाइफ साइंस में आगे जा रहे हो, तो उन सारे कोर्सेज के लिए ये जो चैप्टर है ये बेस है. यू मे थिंक कि मैम हाउ डज इट रिलेटेड विद JEE एंड ऑल. सी द साइंस इज इंटर रिलेटेड विथ ईच अदर. So one or the either time you may have to came across such a questions which are related to biology. Clear? Anyways, this chapter is very important and it is quite bigger also as compared to rest of chapters. But I promised you that this is going to be the easiest chapter for you, because it is related to all the activities, all the actions, all the metabolism related with our own self. If you have gone through this chapter, if you have seen the topics, then you might have realized that I think nothing but it is just a study of my own self, my own body. How does my body undergo different processes like digestion, respiration, excretion and all. So without wasting a time, let's start with this chapter. First we'll have an introduction. Let me tell you what we are going to discuss in this today's session about this topic is what is life. Important question है कि life क्या है. अगर life है तो उसको कौन से बेसिस पे कह सकते हैं कि yes it is a life of someone that is living being. Living being की characteristics क्या है और उसके लिए कौन सी चीजें चाहिए. If an organism wants to be in a life, what are the conditions necessary for that, or by which things we can refer that organism is a living organism. So let's start. First we'll talk about very important concept, that is life. Life means what, or lifespan means what? When an individual takes birth, since that time to the end or death, this is the lifespan. This is the lifespan, and in this lifespan the things, the process, the activities the organism is doing is its life. It's इसलिए ताकि वो एक एनिमल हो सकता है, एक बर्ड हो सकता है, एक माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म हो सकता है, या ह्यूमन एनिमल हो सकता है, या कोई प्लांट हो सकता है, चाहे वो मैक्रोस्कोपिक हो सकता है या फिर माइक्रोस्कोपिक भी हो सकता है. क्लियर? सो लाइफ मीन्स व्हाट, जिंदगी मीन्स व्हाट. व्हेन अ पर्सन, अभी हमारी बात करते हैं, व्हेन अ पर्सन इज सेड टू बी अलाइव, जिंदा है, वो अपनी लाइफ, अपनी जिंदगी जी रहा है. जिंदा है मतलब क्या? That person must be showing some characteristics. Yes, उसको देख के फिर हाँ yes ये जिंदा है. क्या है वो चीजें? What are the things which makes us alive, or what are the things which indicates yes that person is alive, truly alive. देखो, जिंदा रहने के या जिंदगी जीने के भी दो वे होते हैं. जिंदा है मतलब the person had just taken the birth and taken education, got good job, got married and done some or other things in the life and pass away. It is not the liveliness. Yes, ये सिर्फ मतलब सांस लेने के लिए जिंदा है, ऐसे कहो. The person who takes birth and since that time till the end of the life, if the person is doing something different than that of an ordinary person, ordinary life, that is called as a liveliness. Understand? So in short, I want to tell you that everyone's life is different and you must do something different that a common life. कुछ भी अच्छी सी एक इतनी सी बात अगर आप हट के करते हो अपनी जिंदगी में, तो दैट मेक यू लीव फॉर लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम टिल यू आर देयर एंड आफ्टर योर्स. मतलब हमारे होते हुए भी वो हमारे लिए एक पहचान बनती है. हमारे जाने के बाद, कहा ऊपर जाने के बाद भी वो हमारी पहचान बनती है. Just like we are referring the scientists in our book, we are talking about our freedom fighters, we are talking about our leaders, we are talking about many scientists, many people, those who have done something different in their life which kept them alive in their absence also. So ये तो थोड़ी सी मोरल बातें हो गई. चलो हम बात करते हैं कि लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म जो है, okay, life I told you what about it. Living organism. What is mean by living organism? When we are considering that an organism is a living organism, that time we must verify, और हम clarify करते हैं या फिर verify करते हैं कि yes, these are few characteristics of the living organism and are that organisms following all these things or not. जिसमें सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बात होती है मूवमेंट की. किसकी? मूवमेंट. मूवमेंट इज समटाइम विजिबल एंड समटाइम इनविजिबल. हाउ दिस इज सो? जनरली व्हाट इज मूवमेंट? मूवमेंट इज व्हाट व्हेन वी मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज मूवमेंट. मैं अगर यहाँ पे हूं और चल के थोड़ा सा आपके पास आ गई, दैट इज व्हाट द मूवमेंट. ओके, दैट कैन बी इजिली रिकॉग्नाइज. सपोज आई एम मूविंग माई हैंड हियर एंड देयर, दैट इज मूवमेंट. सपोज आई एम रनिंग, आई एम वॉकिंग, आई एम जॉगिंग, दैट इज मूवमेंट. सपोज एथलेट्स आर जंपिंग, समवन इज डांसिंग, दैट आर मूवमेंट. दैट कैन बी विजिबल easily, but some movements are there which are not easily visible. For example, plants. These are also counted in the living world, right? Plants में जो movement होती है, for example, the movement of the leaves towards sunlight, the movements of the flower, for example, sunflower towards sun, the movement of the roots toward the source of water. It is not immediately and very clearly visible, but we can realize. अगर आपके विंडो में कोई पॉटेड प्लांट रखा है, so not today, not tomorrow, not day after tomorrow, but after few days, like 10 days, 15 days, you will notice that plant is growing in the direction outward side of the window. Outward direction में grow हो रहा है. क्यों? क्योंकि बाहर है sunlight. Clear? Understand? Sunflower सुबह यहाँ पे ईस्ट में, as the sun moves towards the east, it also moves towards the east. Not easily recognizable, not easily visible, but this is the movement. So movement is one of the very important criteria to consider whether the organism is living or not. Actually जो नहीं होते हैं लिविंग, उनको ऑर्गेनिज्म हम कहते ही नहीं है, बट लाइवलीनेस के लिए लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म का ये सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट क्राइटेरिया है. ठीक है. देन आफ्टर मूवमेंट, ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट. Growth and development, right? See, we are passing through different phases of life since our birth till death. Not only we, but all living organism has passing through the different stages of life, like when we are a child, when we are young, when we are adult, and when we are the old age or elder person. These are different phases of life. As we are increasing, as we are growing, जब हम बढ़ते हैं, हमारी उम्र बढ़ती है, हमारी हेल्थ बढ़ती है, तो हमारी हाइट भी बढ़ती है, हमारा बॉडी मास भी बढ़ता है. Clear? When a plant grows, starting from a seed to seedling to a plantlet to the plant and huge tree, this is also the growth and development. It is also in case of birds, say from egg to small chick, and then a bird, then a nice bird just flying high in the sky. So this growth and development is also one of the very important characteristics of the living organism. Clear? Then reproduction. जो ये मैं बता रही हूँ ना, it is not as in the sequence which is given in your textbook, but ध्यान में रखना ये characteristics है. What is meant by reproduction? The process of producing an individual belongs to the same species like a parent organism, right? हमारे जैसा ही दूसरा organism create करना, produce करना by the parent organism is called as reproduction. Again production, produce करना, फिर से produce करना. For example, I have been reproduced by someone else will be reproduced by me. मतलब previous generation, this generation and the next generation, you are reproduced by your parents were reproduced by your grandparents and great grandparents, like that. Why? For the continuation of the species on this living planet, reproduction is very important. Clear? Then apart from this, some metabolic activities are there which we are doing, right? Metabolic activity, जिसको ही हम क्या बोलने वाले हैं? Life processes. जिसमें आता है आपका डाइजेशन, देन आता है आपका रेस्पिरेशन, देन योर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, जिसमें आता है आपका एक्सक्रीशन एंड नर्वस सिस्टम, राइट? हमें जो भी काम करना होता है उसके लिए हमें लगती है एनर्जी. क्या लगती है? एनर्जी. एंड दैट एनर्जी वी आर गेटिंग थ्रू फूड, खाना. That food, when we are consuming, after that, all these activities or metabolism takes place in our body. So the organisms which need food, the organisms which respire, the organism which excrete under the excretory system, the organism which have a different transportation system, चाहे plant का xylem phloem हो या हमारा blood circulation हो, lymph circulation हो, या फिर हमारे ब्रेन का, हमारे स्पाइनल कॉर्ड का, हमारी नर्व्स का जो कंट्रोल एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन हो, ये जो सारी चीजें होती है, दैट आर ऑल्सो द peculiar characteristics which indicates that the organism is an living organism. Understood, student? Now, along with this topic, we have started with this topic, that is life processes. क्योंकि ये जो सारी प्रोसेसेस है which keeps us alive, which keeps us living, which keeps us undergoing many processes, that all are called as life processes. Okay? And what are that life processes? That we will see in the next session. Thank you.